Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
What's up, lifers? Me and Rob are at it again. What lake are we at?
Pat Mays.
Where's that at?
Somewhere out here in East Texas.
Way out here.
I'd never heard of the lake until you sent me that text. So, like by Paris, or I don't know what city we're in to be exact.
We're about 12 miles north of Paris, I believe.
What I can say is they have a badass little tackle shop.
Yes, Barron's Tackle Shop. If y'all had never shopped there, shop there. I'll show y'all some pictures of what all I got there. Rob can't let me go back in there this weekend. We'll be in trouble.
No, we both be in trouble.
Both of us. Cool little late. We got here, what, about 3 o'clock?
Yeah.
3:30.
Check-in time was at 6.
Yeah, check-in time wasn't until 6. We got here at 3:30. They let us in. I just drove through. I didn't even act like I seen anybody at the gate.
You missed out.
Non-stop. Show y'all what we're spreading on today. What is that kind of barbecue?
Some barbacoa.
Barbacoa. And some tamales we bought at the dollar store.
Not in the dollar store, outside in the parking lot.
Inside, outside of the dollar store at the parking lot. He wanted to make sure y'all were clear on that.
We got some real hot sauce.
It's a real hot sauce. If that's the same stuff we got before, oh, it might be a rough night, y'all. I'm glad I'm way up from Rob.
We're gonna be spooning later. It's gonna be 40 degrees.
Oh yeah, and it's when we get up in the morning, it's supposed to be like 43 degrees, and it's like 80 most of the day. So it ought to be wonderful. I don't ever film this part of it, but this has started camping day one, I guess.
We almost lost a tent.
Yeah, and Rob's tent almost blew in the water. Too bad neither one of us were filming for that.
I'm glad I didn't.
But,
Damn, I'm being risky here.
oh yeah, Rob's finna hurt
Just
himself.
gonna bless it.
Oh, well, we're finna get to eating because I'm hungry and I'm fat. That's what I do. All right, lifers, I don't know what kind of intro this is gonna be. Me and Rob are both having technical difficulties, and he's finna run us up on the bank. My battery died as soon as I turned it on. Hope y'all don't see me, but we're finna start fishing as soon as he gets us off this sandbar.
I'm recording the whole catch.
Rob missed the catch, but he did catch a good fish.
All right.
If nothing else.
GoPro stop recording.
Just good fish structure, period. And a structureless lake.
Hell yeah.
Yes, that's a noodle hole right there. This is very illegal.
Is it?
Yeah. Some boy from Oklahoma. All the joints are all wrong.
And I can't believe we didn't get it on camera, man.
That sucks, cause that was a big fish. Good one. I mean, you're not supposed to come to the lake you've never fished and catch a 5-pound bass. They're all
here.
on this flat. They're pushing bait right there, dude. You just can't really, they're not bringing them to the top.
Tractor tire with a fucking piece of plywood on top.
Catfish box. Yeah, market will come back and catch fucking a big giant catfish out of it.
The market?
Yeah, market.
Oh yeah, that's it right there, huh?
Yeah.
She's been marked.
Come back here in May. Go right to it. I'll jump out in the water and catch us a big catfish. I'm rolling.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Not as big as Ross. Not as big as Ross.
Yeah, but look what you caught him on. That's even funner.
But it is on a big bait.
Watch them hooks, man.
Yeah. There y'all go. Catching them bigs. Doing what I do. But that's cool. On a big glide bait, we found this little flat holding a few fish. No lake. Is it our new favorite lake?
New favorite lake.
New favorite lake, Pat Mays, y'all. Rob caught a 4.5 and I caught about 2. As I was saying when my battery died, you know, the fishing's nice, everything else is nice, but look at this. If you can get past Rob snoring, this is just it. I like it better when it's a little more wild than this, but right on the side of the lake. Seeing ducks fly. Yeah. Birds eating. That's me. That's what I like. And I'm gonna do some time lapse when I'm screwing with the tent, taking it down, getting stuff ready. Man, I wish I could smell this. I wish I could see it. What do we call this, Raw?
Migas?
Migas. They said he's gonna culture me today.
And a good cheap breakfast. Carved up.
There's eggs, tortillas, and some vegetables. Tomatoes and peppers and onion.
Smells good though, right?
Yeah, it smells damn good though. Like fire good. I added cheese, Rob said that's whiteboard, but
I was
whatever.
about to say, full disclosure, I didn't put cheese on that shit.
I added cheese
I approve of the Tonys.
and Tony's because I wanted some salt on it. We couldn't find salt. I also put some of that hot sauce that has been killing me all week.
You're gonna regret that.
But we finna eat. Alright, lifers, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Most of it I forgot my tripod for. It's gonna be a little bit of camping. Very little fishing because I suck at fishing.
Agreed.
And I didn't get any footage. I'm gonna try to steal some of Rob's footage from his. Oh yeah, you didn't get any either. The 4.5 pounder that's caught, we got no video of, other than after it was caught. What were we doing?
I thought my GoPro was recording.
We act like we do YouTube.
Right?
We don't do it very well.
Face had like little girls.
We don't do it very well. But we have fun. And we bring y'all to man this place. Will you be back?
I'll be back here.
We want the light to come up. The light's like, what, probably 4 foot low?
Yeah, it'd be fire if it was a little bit higher.
Just a little bit higher, it would be on.
I will bring nice clothes next time.
Rob said he's not going to freeze anymore.
And a pillow.
And a pillow.
Maybe some firewood too.
Firewood. I'm going to go home and cut firewood. Just for camping. I got about 97 dead limbs in my yard. But if y'all made it this far in this little cringy ass video, like, share, subscribe, tell me what y'all want to see. I like these camping videos. I could do away with the fishing altogether. Just camp and hunt.